2020 Nissan Versa key fob here. This is how you open it up to replace the battery. So flip it over. There's a sliding button here. I'm going to slide to the right. Hold it down with your thumb. Pull out the emergency key. Now if we look at the bottom of the remote, there's these two little slots. They're not very big. Get yourself a small flathead screwdriver or something like a butter knife or something. Put it in this slot and just give it a twist. Okay, and it'll crack the remote open. Same thing with both sides. And you can open it up. And the battery is on the back side cover. So just take your screwdriver and just pry the battery out. Just careful that you don't damage these contacts here. So we're gonna flip the battery over. The battery size is the CR2032, positive sign, facing down. Make sure you put it on like this, okay? You don't wanna slam it on top of the, push it down on top of those contacts. You wanna go in it, okay, like that. If you need a battery, check the description box. I have an Amazon link there for the right size battery for your Versa. Just get the two halves, start at the top, stick them together, and work your way down. That's it. Put the emergency key back in, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. That would be great. Hope to see you again in another video.